Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your account on the Nomo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the home button at the top of the screen, and then you should tap on the settings button down below as you scroll down. Here you can find the account section. If you want to change your username, tap on it and delete and type in your new name. Click on done at the top of the screen, and you can also enter your email address if you would like to change it. You can add your profile photo by tapping on it, and you can select a picture from your library, or you can also take one by clicking on the camera option, and you can also select a color for your profile. So basically that's it. Everything has been updated and set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.